Welcome to the launch of the book The Forgotten Third, published by John Catt Education. The Forgotten Third challenges orthodoxies to shape a levelled-up education system. The Forgotten Third is a provocative collection of essays which poses the fundamental question, do a third of students have to fail so that two-thirds can pass? Editor Roy Blatchford has brought together a group of leading thinkers and influencers in UK education to address this question and pose some answers. In this recording, one of four to accompany the book's launch, we can hear Catherine Sezen talk about her contribution to the book, an essay entitled Getting It Right, Post 16.
Hello, my name is Catherine Sezen and I'm delighted to have been given this opportunity to tell you a little bit about my contribution to the series of articles on the Forgotten Third. My essay is entitled Getting It Right Post 16. The reason that this is particularly important to me is that I have worked in further education for 20 years as a teacher, manager, and now at the Association of Colleges. A lot of focus post 16 is on qualifications at level 3 and above, A-levels and applied generals such as BTECs and Cambridge Nationals. Students on level 2 and below programmes are mainly those who have not achieved 5 GCSEs 9 to 4 at 16. But we have to remember that every year this is 40% of the cohort leaving school. In recognition that not everyone is ready for level 3 at post 16, and as part of the Technical Education T-Level initiative, government is introducing the transition programme. From September 2020, in a small number of providers, it will focus on thorough initial assessment, English and maths, introductory technical skills, work-related learning, personal and social development, and information, advice and guidance. The key, of course, is how to put the jigsaw of these component parts together to ensure success. And this is what a number of colleges are looking at currently. So will the transition programme provide all the answers? It is certainly refreshing to see a focus on lower level programmes, but there are still challenges. Colleges would benefit from a better flow of information about students progressing from schools in order to be able to better support them to achieve. English and maths remains a thorny issue. Students who haven't achieved grades 4 or above should have the opportunity to continue studying those important subjects, but perhaps the demoralising experience of resitting GCSE again and again isn't the best solution. And, most importantly, if we are serious about levelling the playing field, there needs to be more investment. T-level students will have 900 funded hours a year, transition students only 600. If we really want to make a difference, we have to fund at the same level.